Loudspeaker terminology 101. Ang daming terms tong loudspeaker. So there's mono speaker, dual stereo speaker, and of course, dual mono speaker. Iba-iba ang meaning nun, guys. Huwag kayo malilito. So bago pa kayo malito at ibalik ko kayo sa grade 2, pakinggan muna ninyo ang isasabihin natin dito. Now, first off is yung mono speaker. Meaning, isa lang ang channel niya, isa lang source niya. Be it left and right, iisa lang ang source mo. So, sa pagdating sa Call of Duty Mobile or mga shooting games, hindi mo alam kung yung kalaban mo is coming from the left or coming from the right. Wala kang idea. Lalo sa mga phones, iisa lang speaker like this one. Si Honor X5B, iisa lang kayo ng speaker. Walang sounds coming dito, wala ring sounds coming dito. Now, there's a chance na magkaroon ng dual mono speaker. Meaning, dalawa ang yung speaker, pero iisa lang ka ng source. So, isa lang ka ng channel. So, kung nagsishoot siya ng kalaban mo, left or right, wala kang idea. So, malilito ka. So, hindi mo alam kung saan ka titingin, no? As a first-person point of view. So, that's a dual mono speaker. Iisa lang channel, iisa lang source niya. So, there's this stereo speaker. So, meaning, dalawang channel mo. Meron kang left channel and meron kang right channel. Hindi, huwag kayong malito, ha? Dalawang source. So, meaning kailangan mo dalaga ng dalawang physical speaker to give you that stereo sound. So, in terms of Call of Duty Mobile, pag nagbabaril ka, no, maglalaro ka. So, pag may nagbabaril coming from this side, alam ko, ay, may nagsishoot galing sa kanan, titingin ka sa kanan. So, kung may tunog na galing dito sa kaliwa, meaning, may nagsishoot galing sa kaliwa. So, that's stereo speaker. Dalawang channel. Now, dyan papasok ang dual stereo speaker. Tulad nito, si Honor Magic 7 Pro. Dual stereo speaker siya. So, meron siyang dalawang speaker. Isa sa taas, isa sa ilalim. No? So, what this does is it gives you dalawang channel and dalawang speaker. Okay? So, dual stereo speaker. So, pag naglalaro ka ng Call of Duty Mobile, pag malakas ang sound coming from your left, alam mo na, may footstep, merong galing from left. And kung ito tumutunog, alam mo na, galing sa kanan. Now, nalilito ka pa rin ba? Ulitin lang natin. So, there's a mono speaker, isa lang channel, stereo speaker, dalawang channel. Pwede kang magkaroon ng dual mono speaker, meaning, dalawang speaker mo, pero isa lang tunog, isa lang channel. Hindi mo madidistinguish left and right. And there's the dual stereo speaker. Dalawang speaker mo, dalawa rin source mo, left and right. So there's no such thing as mono na stereo speaker. Iisang speaker pero dalawang tunog, dalawang sources. Walang ganon. Okay? Huwag kayong malito. So nalinawan na kayo? O